Next up, Deep Depravity for Banshee. In this we need to find intel of the atrocities and bring it back to Banshee. This is super simple. What you need to do is find your way all the way over to YBL1 in the far southwest side of the map. Zooming in, we'll need to get down to the bottom floor here, so you can use the top entrance or the one down there, or even the secret entrance all the way off to the west over here to get you straight down to where you need to be. Let's go ahead and get down there. Finding our way down to the first floor here, we'll head down one more to -2, and in here, we'll head to our right, clearing out every corner until eventually you find your way across to this room over here, the debriefing room or briefing room. Inside of here, you'll need to head all the way to the back room, so just back here. And in here, for Deep Depravity, on this desk where this laptop is, you'll find a USB in it or just next to it right over here. Once you picked it up, you can head back to spawn as you pretty much finished this mission. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!